$1.7 trillion is the estimated lifecycle cost of the F-35 program through 2088. This figure includes research, procurement, and decades of maintenance and operations for thousands of aircraft. As the prime contractor, Lockheed Martin controls the world's most expensive weapons system. This dominance provides a steady stream of revenue that accounts for approximately 27% of the company's total annual sales. 60% of F-35 lifecycle profits originate from sustainment rather than initial sales. Lockheed Martin generates consistent cash flow through long-term contracts for spare parts, technical support, and global logistics management.
The program utilizes a mix of cost-plus and fixed-price incentive contracts. While initial development was cost-plus, later production lots shift risk to the manufacturer while rewarding efficiency with higher profit margins. Lockheed Martin distributed the F-35 supply chain across 48 United States. This creates hundreds of thousands of jobs, making the program politically impossible to cancel due to widespread congressional support. The program is funded by a tiered system of international partners. The United Kingdom acts as the sole Tier 1 partner, contributing over $2 billion toward development in exchange for significant industrial participation. Beyond core partners, non-partner nations purchase the aircraft via foreign military sales. These deals include administrative fees and unique configuration costs that further bolster Lockheed Martin's bottom line through high-margin services. The aircraft runs on over 8 million lines of proprietary code. Because Lockheed Martin owns the intellectual property, partner nations are legally and technically tethered to the company for every software update and mission data file. The transition from the autonomic logistics information system to the newer operational data integrated network represents a shift toward modern cloud architecture. This proprietary cloud infrastructure creates a permanent service-based revenue stream. Foreign sales often require industrial offsets, where Lockheed Martin invests in the purchaser's local economy. These deals can include aerospace manufacturing, cybersecurity centers, or even investments in local infrastructure and high-tech agriculture. The ongoing Block 4 modernization program introduces new sensors and weapons capabilities. These upgrades are essential for maintaining a competitive edge, but add billions in additional contract value for the prime contractor and subcontractors. While Lockheed is the lead, subcontractors like Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems share the profit. Lockheed Martin manages this vast ecosystem, taking an integration fee on every component manufactured by its 1,500 suppliers. Transitioning from low-rate initial production to full-rate production allows Lockheed Martin to optimize manufacturing. As the unit price for the F-35A drops, the company's internal efficiency gains increase their per-unit profit. The specialized radar-absorbent material requires constant maintenance. Lockheed Martin provides the proprietary chemicals and technical expertise needed to repair the aircraft's skin, ensuring the stealth signature remains within specified tolerances for decades. High-fidelity simulators are cheaper to operate than the actual aircraft. Lockheed Martin sells these complex training systems and the associated software environments, charging nations for every pilot who earns their wings in the virtual cockpit. Nations cannot repair critical components without Lockheed Martin's permission or proprietary tools. This intellectual property moat prevents third-party competition, forcing all repair work through authorized Lockheed Martin global repair depots. To address security concerns, Lockheed Martin offers sovereign data clouds. These allow nations to keep their mission data local while still using Lockheed's proprietary analytics software, a premium service that adds another layer of revenue. Pratt & Whitney builds the F-135 engine, but Lockheed Martin handles the airframe integration. Any future engine upgrades, like the engine core upgrade, require Lockheed's engineering services to ensure structural and thermal compatibility. The global spares pool allows nations to share parts, reducing individual inventory costs. Lockheed Martin manages this massive database, charging management fees to optimize the movement of components across their worldwide distribution network.
As new missiles and bombs are developed, they must be digitally integrated into the F-35 weapon bay. Lockheed Martin charges both the weapon manufacturers and the purchasing nations to certify and code these new armaments. With a planned service life extending into the late 2080s, the F-35 ensures Lockheed Martin's financial stability for generations. The initial sale is merely the entry point into a 60-year-long technical partnership.